Are you in the business of getting a 1,000 subscriber and you are finding it very difficult to get, or you want to get to 1,000 subscriber for you to get monetized? Like we all know, we know that before you will be monetized on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hour, or YouTube short video view. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the three possible way you can get your 1,000 subscriber within a week. If you are interested, or you have been wondering, when will I get my 1,000 subscriber, this video is for you. And people have been saying that I will take it slowly. I will wait till I get the 1,000 subscriber, even though it take me 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. My dear, it is important, like for we now that are looking for a way to get monetized on YouTube and start making money. We don't have to wait for 6 months or 7 months or 2 months or 1 year before we'll be able to get 1,000 subscribers. It is not easy to get 1,000 subscribers, but at the same time, it is very easy. And this is the method I use to get my own subscribers. So I would like to show you this method so that you follow it very carefully. Do everything that I ask you to do on this video. Within 3 days or 1 week, you will see that you have gotten your 1,000 subscriber. Like I said earlier, nobody should deceive you and asking you to wait for within 2 years, 3 years before you can get your 1,000 subscriber. Yes, don't let anybody deceive you. It is possible for you to get your 1,000 subscriber within 3 weeks, 1 week, or 1 month. All you need to do is to dedicate yourself to it, and then make sure you are doing everything accurately. You understand? So don't let anyone to deceive you that you should wait. You will wait till Jesus come, my brother. So it is very simple. You understand? It's a very simple step you need to follow. Just follow the step correctly. You will see within 3 days or 1 week, your 1,000 subscriber is done and dusted. So if you are new on my channel, please, I would like you to like, subscribe, and share. Turn on your notification bell, so when I post, you will be able to be notified. Yes, the number one method I will tell you is the word restream. Yes, you need to start doing restream. If you have not been taking your restream serious, I want you to go to your YouTube studio and make sure you do restream on your channel. And if you are the type that you really don't have enough content on your YouTube to use, and you want to use video, make sure you edit it properly before using it. But I will advise you, any video that you have that is that is okay, you can use it. In as much as you are doing restream, you know that you are creating brand for yourself. So I will advise you to use your video to do what? Restream. Yes, I've done my own. When I did my restream, within a day, I know how many subscribers I got. So it is advisable for you to use your video when you are doing restream. Go and do restream on your YouTube. You will see how you see how people will be subscribing to your YouTube channel. So the number two method that I will be sharing with you here on my YouTube channel is uploading YouTube shorts. Yeah, you know that YouTube short have the tendency to go viral at the end of the day to bring you a lot of subscriber. Yes, this is how you will do it. You go to this Instagram or TikTok, mostly just Instagram, look for a viral video that you know that it will draw attention, a viral video, download it, make sure there's no watermark on it, and because YouTube hates it when you upload video with watermark, edit it properly. If you read the community guide, reusing of content is allowed. So make sure you edit it properly, then upload it, write a very nice caption. And if you want me to make video on that, I will state it on comment section. I will do that. Edit it properly, then you upload. But it is work. You will be doing this, like uploading like 5 video to 10 video every day. Yes, if you can be consistent in uploading, after 3 days, you will see that people will be subscribing to your YouTube channel. You will just wake up and see 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, but you need to edit it properly and make sure that it's a viral video that people will like. Look for those niche that eye-catching, that people will be able to easily watch and like, and they will subscribe to your channel. So after getting your 1,000 subscribers, it is advisable, or this is what I did, not even, it is just, you just have to do it. Delete all the content, then I start posting your real content. Delete all of them. Do not do not leave anyone undeleted. Delete every shot that you posted because it's people's content. So you know the aims of your YouTube is for you to build your identity, your brand on YouTube. So if people come there and be seeing people's content, so when people see other people's content on your own, they are not reacting to it. It will not be a good brand for you. So delete all of them. Don't wait till you've gotten 10,000 subscribers, 40,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers before you delete it. Once it's up to, like, you know, the goal is 1,000 subscribers. Once it's up to, you have gotten your 1,000 subscribers, delete it permanently and start creating your content. There is no effect on it in as much as you edit the video properly. There's a lot of music on YouTube Studio that you will add, or on that shot that you add on the video that you're uploading. Just delete it very well, and at the end of the day, you'll be thanking me for giving you this nice suggestion. Then, so that takes us to number 3, and the number 3 method I'll be showing you is create content. Yes, you need to create content. You know that in this YouTube street, it's all about content. The reason why we are here is to create content. So you must bring out time, map up time, make sure you create a content that is encouraging, a content that is good, a very good content. You know, the purpose of YouTube, you are building a brand. So you need to create content that would relate to your brand. You need to create content that people will watch. If you watch it, if the content is okay for you, you can post. Make sure the content is informative, entertaining, and attractive. So make sure you create content. Bombard YouTube with content. The more you are creating content, YouTube will be pushing your video, will be recommending your video to various regions. So make sure you create a valuable content. That is the 3 methods that we'll be sharing with you how to get 1,000 subscribers. If you can put all this thing in place, trust me, before or within 1 week, you will be seeing you will see subscriber on your YouTube channel. You drop this thing is magic. It's not magic. It's an effort. You need to put effort on it. And then when you are creating content and posting on YouTube algorithm will be recommending your video on your YouTube channel. And at the same time, you need to when you see other people that post or other good content, make sure you comment. On the process of commenting, make sure you give applause to that person that create the content. You'll see in that content or on people's content, you'll be getting a subscriber on it. People will follow you back on that. Make sure you just contribute your own code to other people's content. It's very, very necessary. I believe that you have enjoyed this video. If video